Yo, what's up guys? In this video, I will be showing you exactly how I make hundreds of thousands of dollars every single month from deving meme coins on the Solana network. Now, I do not trade a single chart. I just launch using viral narratives and then I cash out, and I do that over and over again. So in this video, I'm going to show you how it's done for free. Now, the reason why I stopped trading and I started launching instead is like I said, bro, when you dev, you have completely nothing to lose, okay? All you're doing is creating coins, hoping for buyers, and even if you get 1 to 5 buyers, that could potentially be only $100, which you make on one coin. But imagine you launch 20 coins every single day. Well, that's 20 times $100. That's 2K a day like that. I launch around 1 to 5 coins and that makes me around 2000 a day, around there. Depends on the volume and on the day. But yeah, bro, I will be exposing my entire strategy for completely free. This video is the course. We just launch and then we just dump and we do that over and over again, okay? And we risk nothing at all. That's exactly why I highly encourage everyone to watch this video, because deving is the new wave. You guys will see after watching this video, bro. Let's go. And by the way, bro, this entire video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Please don't copy me, bro. Now, most people, when they launch their meme coins, right, they launch them directly in the new pairs on Pump.Fun. Now, let me tell you exactly why launching meme coins on Pump.Fun is a waste of time and money. First of all, they take a cut from your creator fees and from your supply. You don't control your supply. On top of that, there's too many coins coming out every single second on Pump.Fun, so your coin is going to get no traction. Okay, the strategy that we'll be utilizing in this video is to launch directly in the migrate section on Raydium. Here is where your coin gains a bunch of attention. There's thousands of people waiting to buy your coin in the migrate section, bro. It all depends to how you launch the Raydium. If you launch the Raydium using Pump.Fun, bro, it will require a $32,000 migration price, so that is out of the question. But if you use create meme.io though, well, you can launch directly to Raydium, right, without wasting any time, and you control all the liquidity for yourself, which means you can control your chart. Now, to make a coin here, bro, you could either create a coin from scratch or you can copy a coin. In this video, we will be copying a coin. Basically, all these coins are going viral on Pump.Fun, but we will be recopying them back to Raydium to gain a bunch of buyers and attention using these viral narratives. That is the strategy. It's also called vamping, right? But you can call it whatever the fuck. Let me show you how. Alright, let's make some money by diving a coin now. First of all, connect your Phantom wallet, then click on refresh and look for a coin to copy here, okay? I'm gonna go for the AFK coin. Why not? I just chose it randomly. Click on copy the Raydium. Ignore the warning from Phantom. It's safe, it's normal. Click on proceed, confirm, understand, confirm, and then the coin will be created. Just give it some time, right? It should be created soon. Boom, and now let's create the liquidity pool. Now this page is where we create the official liquidity pool. Like that, you can control all the coins, okay, in your dev wallet, and also people on the random decks will be able to buy your coin and get supply for themselves, but you will have supply before everyone else, and that's exactly how you are going to profit. Now here, put 90%. That is just the liquidity, right? For the amount of soul, right? Here just put 0.3 Solana to 1 soul. You can put whatever you want. I would highly recommend to put 0.3 to 1 soul, just somewhere around there. You are not losing this, okay? You are just buying some of your supply. Like that, you can make profits. You are not losing this. It is not a loss. You can get this back whenever you want, whether it's during the launch or when you remove the liquidity at the end. You will get it back. Click on create pool. Wait for your Phantom wallet to show up, and then ignore the block. Click on proceed, confirm or understand, confirm. After that, bro, click on the refresh button and then scroll down and bang, the AFK coin is on live and your P&L is going to be simply right there. And look, if you click on the refresh button, Well, as you guys can see, bro, it refreshed and now we're up $132. This is because people are buying our coin, they are liking the narrative, and that's exactly what we need, okay? Since we copied the coin, it was bound to get a bunch of buyers anyway, so yeah. Click on view on photon, okay? The chart should be live, yes sir. Let me go on full screen, give it some time. And as you guys can see, people are buying in, okay? Okay, do not worry if it goes down, okay? It's not a big deal. Just let your coin marinate, let it fucking pump, okay? More and more people are going to start seeing the coin and then buying in potentially because the Raydium Dex has a bunch of attention. So just give your coin like a couple minutes, I would say around 5 to 10 minutes, and it should go up or break even, okay? Boom, $34 buy. That's insane. 76.23. Bro, this is looking good. We're already up like $200, $300 if I had to guess. I'm not sure, but yeah, bro, this is fucking insane, and this is exactly why you have to start deving today, bro. Like, dog, it's so insane. 2K market cap, 1.2K liquidity, bro. Like, bro, it's actually fucking insane. I'm gonna leave this coin run. When I come back, I'm going to show you how to cash out. Alright guys, I am back and we have a 2K liquidity and 5K market cap. Let's make some money from this coin. I will show you how. So when you are ready, come back to the website, so create meme.io and then click on the refresh button right here. And as you guys can see here, bro, 2.2 thousand is what we are up in profits at this present moment. That's actually insane within like 10 minutes. Now, do the minus button, then do 100%, then remove liquidity, and then wait for your phantom wallet to pop up. And then ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. And boom, bro, that's exactly how to do it, bro. We just cashed out on this meme coin. Now look, in my phantom wallet, yes sir, we should have received it. 26.7 Sol, and that's actually fucking insane, bro. Like, some people make this working a 9 to 5, like, it has to take like fucking 2 months. We just made it within like 10 minutes, okay? And then you can just do that over and over again, launch coins consistently every single day. That's exactly how people in the trenches are getting rich. It's all for educational purposes only, so do your own research, do what pleases you, okay? It's up to you. Create meme.io will be linked in the comments down below in the description, bro. Good luck to everyone. Let's go.